Hello, welcome to my channel. You are watching a hot mess. So today I'm going to do a very quick, I say quick, but you know, this is my third time doing it, and the last time it was an hour, and the time before that it was 30 minutes, so we're moving backwards here. But for now, we're gonna do a quick makeup tutorial on how I do my everyday look. Alright, so I should have gotten myself prepared. I should have done XYZ, but I didn't. You're along for the ride. It's fine. Okay, so we are going to start with some primer. I already put moisturizer on. I already washed my face. It's clean. Clean as a baby's bottom. Even though baby's bottoms are not clean. Okay, it's probably more than a dime size. I don't give a hoot. This is what I want to wear. And it's NYX, so, I mean, come on. Did I even show you what I was wearing? No, it's this. I think that's good coverage. Alright, we're gonna use NARS. Hopefully you can see all of that. This is in Santa Fe. 2 pumps. That's it. 2 pumps. That's it. NARS is expensive. We don't want to waste it. 2 pumps is actually more than you need. Put it there, put it there, drag it on my nose. I look like Squidward. And then I'm just gonna start buffing it out. It does not really like set super quickly, so you have time to play around and move it around. I like to start in the middle of my face with my forehead and my nose and my cheeks. Right in that area. And buff that out. Okay, just gonna see what I'm doing here. Bring it downtown. Okay. I'm gonna grab up a little bit more, very little. I'm just gonna cover this area that needs a little bit more coverage. My chin. Acne scars, huh? Can you relate? I can relate. I'm gonna use this Wonder Stick. I don't use the highlight because, like, I don't need a highlight. If you like to highlight, good for you. I don't. I just use contour. Speaking of, I'm gonna do a line here. And I'm gonna do a line here. Right there. Angle brush. And we're gonna blend. Okay, I'm gonna bring it up and down on my cheek. See how it disappeared? Wonderful. And bring it up and down on my cheek. Or I shouldn't say down, I should say across on my cheek. There we go. Now this monstrosity I'm gonna blend that this way and down. Don't really want to contour down here because it's going to make this look larger, so we're just going to bring it down in the center to blend it out. And I'm going to bring this over here, drag it back here, blend this down. It's going to cut your double chin. Wow, where did your double chin go? I hid it with makeup. Now we're gonna do the forehead. I'm gonna draw a line here. I'm not pressing hard. This is barely me touching it, okay? And now I'm gonna blend this out. Blending it towards my hairline. As you can see, my face really likes to grab it, which is good. I'm not pressing hard on this. I'm just circling and going back and forth with my brush to blend it out and up. Okay, we're not bringing it down, we're bringing it towards the hairline. And down on the temples, just to round out the face a little bit. And to make my forehead look smaller, of course. And we're done. Let's get some cheeky. Start right on the outside of my eye, and I'm just gonna make a couple dots. That's it. On the outside of my eye, just gonna make a couple dots. That's it. Now with this, it is pigmented, it is sheer, like it says, but it is pigmented, it stains, so you don't want to leave it on for too long. So what I like to do is I take this little wispy brush with a brush at the bottom, and I'm going to dab at it and twist my brush so that I'm getting tons of spots everywhere. Cool. Once I get all the dots dispersed in the area that I want them, I'm gonna buff it out. And I'm gonna take it up and through to my nose, get it on my nose. On this side I have a little bit more pigment, so I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna brush it, twist my brush, disperse that color a little bit, and then I'm gonna go back on my nose with the main parts of the color. Yeah. All right. So once that's done, I'm done with my face now. Now all we have are eyes and lip. So for my eyes, I like to start off with my eyebrow. For my eyebrows, I use NYX in black. All right, so we're gonna bring that like that. Yep. And then I'm just gonna use this natural end right there in my eyebrow, and I'm gonna taper that downwards. And out. Done. All right, now to color it in. Remember, I don't like to fully color it in because I do like to leave it looking natural. So we're just gonna do little strokes upward. As I come into the center, I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna press as hard. I'm gonna look where I started my eyebrow. So it's right on the inner corner. So like right here where it is right now on this side, this outermost line is like the furthest I wanna go out. Cool. Now they are sisters. Sometimes they're cousins, but usually they're sisters, not twins. So do not get butthurt. Okay. No one's eyebrows are perfect. We are going to blend just like we blended before, the inner side here. And look at all those strokes. I don't know if you can see all of them in there, but we're just gonna break it up a little bit. Right up in here, and then brush the hairs up. Okay, so I see that I need to make this eyebrow a little bit darker underneath. So that's just what I'm gonna do real fast. I'm just going to take it and there we go. And then we'll add a few more hairs so I can blend them in. Because remember, we're gonna blend it. Look how much better it looks. Great. upward. Eyebrows are done. Next, eyeliner. So what I do for my eyeliner is I'm gonna take my nose and I'm gonna go towards my eye. So I put my, if you can see it, there's like a line here right above my acrylic where it is. That's the line I'm gonna follow. Okay. So it's super quick. I just touch down and drag. And then I clean up if I need to. That one looks fine. I follow my tip of my nose over. Okay, not the bottom here. Follow the tip of my nose. Following that water line. And swipe. It's okay if I get on the bottom because I'm going to blend it in there anyway. I'm just going in to darken. Alright. Cool. Stroke upwards. Make this line a little flatter. And then what I do is I take this line and I'm just gonna darken it across here. Drag it up. Drag it down. Connect it. I'm just going to make sure that these are at the same height. Alright, cool. Now before my eyeliner fully dries, I'm going to take a brush and drag it across my eye line. It's a little dirty, but it's a eyeshadow brush, but I'm just gonna take it and drag it, kind of buff it out a little bit. There we go. This one. Do the same thing. Lip time. So I'm gonna start from the corner, I'm gonna swipe in. I'm start from the corner, swipe in, start from the center, over, over, down, down. Got it? All right. Got some on my tooth. Bottom done. Now there's still a little bit on here for the top. I'm just gonna do that so I can get some more just to play around with. I'm gonna start in this corner and I'm just gonna turn my wand. Start in this corner, I'm just gonna turn my wand. Turn it back and go down. I'm not gonna go all the way down because I'm gonna go up. Okay? I'm gonna here, turn, get that peak in there. Yep, and then I'm gonna turn. I'm not gonna go all the way down because I'm gonna go up, remember? One side done. We're done. Also, I don't do mascara because I have fake eyelashes. And typically, you know, they only last like 3 weeks, 2 weeks. I do live in Louisiana. It's very humid here, therefore eyelashes do not last long. I also have fine eyelashes, so I can't use super long extensions. If you know a trick of how I can do that, please let me know, because Lord have mercy. If I'm paying for it, I want it, if you know what I'm saying. So, thanks for coming to a hot mess. It's been real.